Hi everyone, and welcome to day 21, 8-minute abs. All right, so we're gonna go hard on our core just for 8 minutes. It's gonna be fun and challenging. Feel free to take a break if you need to, but if you don't need to, then let's stick with it for 8 minutes, okay? Let's go in 3, 2, 1. High plank hold is where we get started, so engage that core, stay here. Now with 8 minutes of work, I really expect you to stay with me the whole time, all right? Super strong, press down. I have another 8-minute abs video that we've done in this on my YouTube channel. But again, we've done a lot of different core work in our Live Well with the Marissa at Home challenge. So hopefully you're feeling good and strong. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Right knee, left knee. Good. Right knee, left knee. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your right forearm down. Let's rotate over. Raise your left arm to the sky. Hips are square and stacked. They face towards your left. Good. Top hand comes behind your head. Exhale, roll your elbow down. Roll it up. Dip your hips once. Bring it up. Good. 4 more. Tap, reach, dip, lift. Tap, reach, dip. 2 more. Tap, reach, dip, up. Last time. Tap, reach, dip, hold. 3, 2, 1. High plank. Left hand, right hand. Good. Side 2. Left forearm down. Rotate. Hold. Hand behind your head. Good. Down, up, dip. 1. 4 more. Down, up, dip. 2. Down, up, dip. 3. Down, up, dip. Last one. Down, up, dip, hold. Right arm up, high plank, right, left. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop those knees. Flip on over. All right. Knees to chest, give it a big squeeze. Exhale, hands behind your head. Bicycles in 3, 2, 1. Twist, 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 twist. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, halfway. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Legs in the air, flex those feet. Exhale, turn your toes out, lower down, open, close, lift. 4 more. Lower down, my head is down, open, close, lift. Good. Lower down, open, close, lift. Yes, lower down, open, close. You have 1 more. Ready? Lower down, open, close, lift. Good. Give it a squeeze. Plant your right foot, left leg long. Right arm overhead, left hand next to you. Exhale, come up. Good. Come up. Good. 1, 2. 1 more rep. 3. Good. Switch your legs, right leg long, left arm overhead. Exhale, lift. Lift. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Stay up this time. Sit up nice and tall. Lift your core. Pick up those feet. Hold. 3, 2. Reach your arms out. Good. Tap and in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Lower down. Knees are still at 90. Hands to those thighs. Curl up and down. Curl up. Reverse crunch. Good. Curl up. Halfway there, guys. 4 minutes in. You've got 8, 7. Find those abs. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1 more. 1. Good. 90-degree hold. Hands next to you. Exhale. Circle down, around, and come up. That's 1. Circle, down, around, come up. 3 more. Down, around, 1. Down, around, 2. Down, around, 3. Reverse. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last rep right here. And 5. Nice. Extend your legs all the way up to the sky. Good. Exhale, crunch up through your head. Widen your feet. Bring them back. Put your head down. Open. Together. 4 more. Open. Together. 3. Together. 2. Last rep. 1. Together. Nice. Opposite hand to foot. 3, 2, 1. Reach, 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 reach. Good. Working down to our last 3 minutes. You got this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug those knees in real tight. Rock on up. Good. Flip over. So both forearms are going to come down for forearm plank. Exhale them down, step back, heels press back. Good. Dip your hips right, center, tap your knees, lift, left, center. Good. Tap, lift, right, center, tap, lift, left, center. Knees up, right, center, knees up, left, center. Last round. Tap your knees up, right side, center, tap your knees up. Left side, 1 more tap. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Knees come down. Now, right back over onto your back. I know this time I didn't turn around. I just sat and shifted, so it really doesn't matter. Whatever you feel more comfortable doing. Give your knees a big squeeze. Good. Press both feet up to the sky. Hands come down. Exhale, lower, lift. Good. Lower, lift. Both legs lower, lift, okay? So it's single leg, come up, single leg, come up, both legs, yeah, come up. Good. 2 more rounds. We're almost done. Right leg, left leg, both legs. Last round. Right leg, left leg, both legs. Good. Bring them up. Exhale, give yourself a hug, rock up. Good. Strong and boat to finish. Pick up those feet. Hands at your heart. Twist. 15 seconds left. Good. Keep it up, guys. Side to side. Put your feet down if you need to. 10. Good. Keep this up. Final 5, 4. Don't stop. 3, 2. Boom. 8-minute abs. Way to crush today's Live Well with Marissa challenge. I hope you guys had a great workout. If you want to do it again, feel free, hit start, play again. 16-minute abs. Please feel free to share this on your social media channels and with your friends. Try to like it, and always please share and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you for more tomorrow. Bye.